Welcome to the Culinary Adventures. We are in the rainforest of Costa Rica with Masi Devoto for Explore Natura, doing some crazy adventures, canyoning and cooking on the treetops. I don't know what's wrong with us. We're doing some rappelling, kind of dangerous.
I was introduced into the adventure sport from my brother-in-law. I started that more or less in 1997. Now I work with an adventure company, actually one of the owners of the company, where we do whitewater rafting, canyoneering, mountain bike, and another type of activities. Adventure is my work right now. 10 years ago, I was working in a restaurant, and the chef, a good friend, Chappy, he decided to teach me how to cook. Also, I came from a family where my great grandaunt used to spend the whole day in the kitchen cooking different Caribbean plates, Asian food, and another type of food. And I just decided to start to experiment with different types of food. I moved here to the Turrialba Valley in 1999. Working for the province of the community here in Turrialba, I decided to run for the presidency of the Turrialba Chambers of Tourism, and now I'm the president, and I hope I'm going to be the president for the next 2 years.
Okay, Culinary Adventures ready for the adventure part. We are heading to the canyoning. Have to go up the hill. We're going with Masi, Ronald, and all the guys from Explore Natura. Going downhill. If you see the camera shake, it means that I fell in my ass. Whoa! Gotta pay attention. Very steep terrain. Going to get, if you fall this way, you man, I'm just playing with my worst fear. Right behind here, you can see Masi. Está loco. I'm a cagón. Adrenaline, pure adventure. I don't know. Let me see if I do it. Solo un poquito más. Vaya. Un poquito más, un poquito más. Man, this is too much for me. This is real adventure. Only for machos. Too much, I'm a marica. We don't even know what we're gonna do, but we know it's dangerous. I think we're going to go down a waterfall. He's playing us already, but I don't want to hear what we're gonna do. I just close my eyes and try to do it.
First thing that we do is learn how to use the figure eight.
All right.
That's what it's do. We just put it on top, pull it out. This way for right handed. Then I do is I separate the rope, stop, and move my feet. Okay? When you are in the cables, You are in the ropes, your safety is my responsibility. When you are walking, your safety, your responsibility.
All right, we are hanging here. I'm just waiting for I can't wait for the culinary segment, actually. We have enough of adventure. I think now they're gonna get me very wet. Okay, this is crazy. We were bringing our C1, the biggest camera, but it's very complex to use it here. So now we are just carrying it, risking equipment. We are here with the Presidente, with Masi, gathering some products to buy, to get ready for our cooking segment. We are here in Turrialba. Let's check it out, Presi.
Let's go.
Let's go, vamos. Tomatoes. We'll find the little tiny tomatoes, so we're gonna get it. Oh, look at that. Exercise. Rica Gym. As right now we have to decide to go or not. The rain is upon us as always, so hola, Presidente, make the rain go away, por favor. Come on, man. It's raining, but we are going for it anyways, so hopefully we'll see the outcome of this craziness. I mean, doing it was risky to begin with, to take all the equipment there in a beautiful day, but adding that to the rain and the mud trails and the slippery is very dangerous, and we risk equipment. But let's try again. Let's turn around and try.